Okay, let's just jump right into it, because something just happened in the tech world that almost nobody saw coming. We are talking about two absolute giants, one that's been kind of struggling and one that's been soaring, making this massive landscape-shifting bet on the future of AI. And it all kicked off with this one number, 25%. On Thursday, the markets just went nuts as Intel's stock price shot up by over 25% in a single day. Now look, for a small startup, that's awesome. For a company the size of Intel, that's an earthquake. That massive jump pushed their share price all the way to $31.25. I mean, a move this big, this fast, for a Silicon Valley institution like Intel, that doesn't just happen, you know? It means something huge is going on behind the scenes. So what on earth caused it? Well, it was this: a blockbuster deal from pretty much the last company anyone expected to get involved. Nvidia, the undisputed king of the AI chip market right now, decided to make a serious power play. That's right, Nvidia announced it is pouring a staggering $5 billion into its longtime rival Intel. This is so much more than a friendly handshake. This is a move that could fundamentally reshape the entire industry. And the details here are really what make it so interesting. See, this isn't a buyout, it's a strategic investment. Nvidia is buying up stock at a set price, $23.28 a share, which basically signals this isn't some short-term trade. Nope, this is a long-term commitment. They're in it for the long haul to build a really deep collaborative partnership. You just gotta hear how Nvidia's own CEO, Jensen Huang, put it. He called it a historic collaboration and a fusion of two world-class platforms, and their goal? To lay the foundation for the next era of computing. I mean, the ambition there, it's just completely off the charts. But to really get how truly shocking this partnership is, you have to understand the completely different paths these two companies have been on lately. We're talking night and day. It is a tale of two very different companies. On one side, you've got Intel, right? The pioneer of the PC. But they've been facing some serious headwinds. We're talking losses of nearly $19 billion last year, another $3.7 billion loss just in the first half of this year, and they're even planning to cut a quarter of their workforce. It's been tough. And then you have Nvidia, which has just been on an absolute rocket ship, totally dominating the AI market as demand for their GPUs has just exploded. And this really tells the whole story, doesn't it? You can see this deep valley for Intel's recent performance right next to this towering mountain of Nvidia's success. They were moving in completely opposite directions, which is what makes this decision to suddenly join forces so fascinating. So, this is the big question. What are they actually going to build together? This $5 billion deal isn't just for show. There is a very specific, very technical roadmap for what comes next. And here's the blueprint, basically broken down into three big steps. First, they're going to tightly integrate their core technologies, so making NVIDIA's powerful AI stuff work seamlessly with Intel CPUs. Step 2, Intel is going to start producing custom chips designed specifically for NVIDIA's massive AI data centers. And third, and this is the part that could affect all of us, they're going to start building NVIDIA's tech directly into the Intel chips that power our everyday computers. So why should you care about this giant corporate megadeal? Well, because the end goal is to create way smarter, more powerful PCs with AI built right in from the ground up. It could also lead to faster, more efficient AI services that we use in the cloud. Simply put, this partnership could kick off a whole new era of computing that changes the devices we use every single day. Which brings us to the big final question. Is this $5 billion gamble just a lifeline for a struggling Intel, a way to keep a legendary company in the game? Or is it something way bigger? Is this a genuine revolution that will fuse the strengths of two rivals to truly redefine the next chapter of technology? That right there is the multi-billion-dollar question. And honestly, only time is going to tell.